There's a big job broke out today and I've teamed up with a local lawn care firm called My Lawn. We've been called in to try to recover this customer's lawn, which has unfortunately been burnt by putting too much 4-in-1 product down. You can see across the lawn that it needs a bit of TLC, and it's completely understandable why the customer may opt for an all-in-one type of product, because we've got loads of moss which has been shaded by this garage area. We're going to be doing a full lawn renovation on this project, which will involve hollow core aeration, scarification, overseeding and top dressing at the end. So I hope you enjoy the video, and if you're interested in seeing some results for this video, don't forget to subscribe. I'll be posting some in a couple of weeks' time. Just taking a look at this hand spreader. Really useful bit of kit. Put some AA batteries in the bottom of it. It's got different spreading rates that you can just adjust that dial, and it's also got a little edge guard as well on the side where you can actually, if you're going to go along an edge, you can stop the seeds flicking out into the border. So for a smaller area, this is absolutely ideal. Really portable bit of kit, and for the homeowner it's quite interesting because it doesn't take a lot of room up in the garage and the shed. You can see it's been used on this lawn here, and it gives really nice and even spread of the seed, no messing about. So now the seed in and the fertilizer's down, we've removed all the moss. It was a really heavy sort of scarifier and aerate on this lawn because there was a lot of moss, and if you're trying to overseed on the top of moss and debris, it's just not going to work and you're not going to get the desired results that you're looking for. So the last step of the process is going to be around spreading some soil on top of the seeds, and that just helps it stay moist during the germination period. And we're not talking heaps and heaps of soil here, it's just a thin layer of soil just spreading on top of the seeds and adding in some organic matter. Thanks for watching the video and the process. I hope you enjoyed it. If you've got any questions at all, leave me a comment down in the comment section. You can also check out My Lawn on YouTube. I'll also leave a link to their YouTube video. And if you'd like to see some results, please consider subscribing to my channel. It's Matt, the Garden and Lawn Care Guy, and I'll see you in about 2 weeks' time with some results for this lawn.